I realized we got out a little while ago. 女生一半吧。